Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a great week so far. Today I'll be going over my top 5 YouTube traders that I personally have used over the 2 years I've been trading to learn about the markets, but also what I like about them especially is just how transparent they actually are and honest to their audience, because we all know a lot of people out there lie to their audience and don't actually reveal all the truth. I think that's why a lot of people have subscribed to this channel actually, is because I'm very authentic and say the truth as it is without any sprinkles on top, really, okay? So these 5 YouTubers aren't going to be in any particular order. They're just 5 I've came across over the 2 years I've been trading. There are probably many out there that honestly, well, they could be better. I wouldn't say they are better, but they could be, that I haven't heard of. But yeah, again, the reason I like these 5 is because they're very honest to their audience. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first one is going to be TraderNick. Okay, he has 439,000 subscribers at the time recording this video. He uploads pretty much every single day. Very consistent person. Absolutely amazing. He does stuff around not only forex but other trading as well. He has his own software that he developed at A1 Trading, which shows analytical data about the markets and patterns and whatnot. I personally don't have it though. But he does live streams pretty much daily around news events. And he's very honest with his community about how trading is, and he shows his actual results. As you can see right here, 1 day ago, actually, I haven't watched this, but I just noticed my trading results from the past 4 years. He logs into his broker and looks at his trading results. And I think that's absolutely amazing, to be honest and show his audience the truth around trading. If we go look at his most popular, he has obviously a trading one here, how to trade different things. Oldest, he's been trading for 5 years now. He has loads of things on it, how to backtest, forex trading for beginners, but he also has very honest one-to-one conversations with his audience as well, so check him out if you haven't heard of him. The next one is going to be Samuel Leach. This one might be not as known in the trading community. He's from the UK and he owns his own firm. It's called Samuel Leach & Co. Trading. It recently actually got burnt down. There was a fire at it quite recently, so I don't know what's happening there, but his YouTube channel, he uploads, it seems, once a week, give or take, around different things around the world. So he did analyzing the pound against US dollar and stuff like that. So he doesn't just do trading currencies and things like that, even though that's sort of what he is known for. He also shows investing and other bits and bobs. He has his own company as well. As you can see, his links in here, samuelleachco.com. He also, what is one of my most favorite things from him and how I actually discovered him, is if we go in his playlists, we can see, where is it? Trading challenge. So I'll start opening up one of these. So he has these trading challenges where it's people in real life trading. He gets 5 to 10 people in real life and they come to his firm and he teaches them how to trade. It is the most raw and authentic series I've ever seen in my life, and I absolutely love it. This will inspire you to trade if you're not already a trader, so please give this a check out if you haven't already. The next we're going to look at is Tradeciety.com. This channel I've learned a lot from about market structure and things like that. What I like about this channel, it originally was first just this guy here, and I think they've soon hired more people. But he shows many things like how to read the market, but it's very clear. That's what I love about it. So I've actually watched a lot of these videos. They are very beginner friendly, and I think that's what's so important about them. They're very clear cut. They're very long videos. He talks directly to the camera like I'm doing now, so he takes you along the entire journey, and I think priceless YouTube channel if you're trying to learn market structure and also how to read it without using signals and other tools like that. The next channel is going to be Umar. Now, He doesn't trade. He doesn't trade. He doesn't upload very often. He hasn't uploaded in 4 months, actually. 735,000 subscribers at the current time of recording this. Very, very experienced trader. One thing I like about this YouTuber is he's very authentic to his audience, but he also doesn't just throw loads of strategies at them, right? He shows his profits of how he trades, but he doesn't really tell you how to trade in a certain strategy, basically. So he teaches other things like, should I quit my job before day trading? Things he's learnt after trading in his 10 years experience. How much money do you need to start day trading? There are many questions on here that many people will have that he answers for you, or how to risk manage properly, how to read candlesticks. The information on this YouTube channel seems to be limitless. So go check this out as well if you have lots of questions about trading that you aren't very sure of yet, because this trader, incredibly experienced, will probably be able to answer your questions for you. And my final one will be Mindful Trading. Now, this is a YouTuber, 62,000 subscribers, a little bit smaller than all the other ones. However, what I love about this YouTuber is how authentic she is. She shows weekly videos, it seems, or maybe even a couple videos a week, it seems, actually, about her live trading, and how even some weeks when she loses, she'll still show you that, and the struggles that she's facing on a daily and weekly basis trying to trade the market. You know, it's very easy. Look, even here, look, how I lost 100,000 day trading forex. You know, there are so many things on here which I think is missing in the YouTube community. That's why I made this YouTube channel in the first place, is because the YouTubers mostly out there in trading aren't honest and genuine people, and they try to sugarcoat trading like it's an easy walk in the park when it's incredibly hard. That's why most traders fail. You can't seriously believe these people saying trading is easy when you can look up statistically over 90% of traders lose 90% of their money within the first 3 months or 90 days of trading. You know, it's insane for them to advertise to so many new beginners how easy it is when it really isn't. So when I come across YouTubers like this who are very authentic and to the point with their trading, I absolutely love it and can't get enough of it. Okay, so check out this trader as well if you're like following along with a progression of how this trader is developing. She also uploads other things. Let's go on a popular for a second. So like a setup, might be interested in seeing a trader setup, or different prop firms. She compares two different prop firms and see which one's better. Trading terms explained. There's so many things in here which can be useful, but also you can feel you relate to this trader a lot, you know? So check out these 5 YouTubers if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree with my 5 picks. I'm sure many will disagree, but some of you might also agree. Yeah, my reasons again for picking these 5, they were in no particular order. But I mean, I like how very authentic they are to their audience and clear and cuts they are to their trading community, which I think we miss a lot on YouTube. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you for sticking around. And it's Glaze, guys, and I'll speak to you very, very soon.